Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Cambridge University's ESS account. So let's get started. So to log into your Cambridge University's ESS account, and ESS stands for Employee Self-Services. So if you want to log into your Employee Self-Services of Cambridge University, then what you can do is just simply open up your browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Cambridge University ESS login. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is simply tap on this first option, which is from Cambridge of University. So after searching for that option, you'll come up to this page, and after coming up to this page, now what you can do is just tap on this first option, which is Employee Self Services, which is from University of Cambridge. So after tapping on that option, you'll come up to this website, and from here, if you'll scroll down, you can find this option which says click here to log into your employee self-service. So just click on that option. After clicking on that option, now what you have to do is enter your account's email address. So you might have an email address of Cambridge University. What you can do is just simply enter that email address over here. So after entering your account's email address, what you have to do is just enter your account's password. After entering your account's password, just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just tap on forgot password and then easily reset or recover your account's password. So just do that, and after recovering your password, just come back to this login page and then enter the new password that you have recovered, and then tap on sign in. After tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Cambridge University's ESS account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.